As of I have reached 1000 subscribers, here is my voice reveal, and I will make a Q&A video soon. But today I will unbox one of my favorite chess sets from Royal Chess Mall. While I am unboxing the chessboard, let's talk about Royal Chess Mall, a brand dedicated to crafting some of the finest chess sets in the world. Whether you are a competitive player, a collector, or simply someone who loves the artistry of chess, Royal Chess Mall has something to special offer to you. At Royal Chess Mall, every chess set is a masterpiece. Each piece is handcrafted by skilled artisans with over 30 years of experience. From classic Staunton designs to unique luxury sets made of marble, wood, or metal, their attention to detail is unmatched. You can explore their extensive collection featuring luxury wooden chess sets for a timeless look, marble chess sets for a modern stylish touch, metal chess sets that brings durability and elegance, travel chess sets compact and perfect for chess on the go. They even offer custom designs so you can create a chess set tailored to your unique style. And one of the things I like about Royal Chess Mall is the commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Customers often enjoy features like, not often, they always enjoy the features like safe and secure packaging to protect your chess sets, worldwide express shipping with options like FedEx and DHL, a 30-day return policy without asking a single question about the chess sets. If you want flat 25% of discount, you can use the code XMAS in capital to get 25% of flat discount in order above $250. And if you want to get flat 15% off in any kind of any kind of chess set, chess piece or board or sets, you can use the code store15 to get 15% of discount. Now let's come back to the topic. What is the name of the chess set? The name of the chess set is Mikhail Tal 1961 World Championship Set. Repro edition, and the cost of the chess set is around $450 if I'm not wrong. So yeah, go check it out, the Royal Chess Mall. And let's come back to the video.
So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
I have also took some pictures of the chess sets and the chess pieces. Enjoy. I have posted some pictures in the community tab and it's already middle of the night and still I'm editing the video. Thanks for watching.